Ferocious winds, torrential rain, mass evacuations and widespread flooding. Typhoon Dolphin has unleashed its fury on eastern China.
But the atmospheric disturbance caused from the storm could have far-reaching consequences, thousands of kilometers away, specifically for India's monsoon. Even as that threat looms, authorities in China are gauging the full scale of the typhoon's destruction.
China issued a red typhoon warning after Dolphin made 2 landfalls. Authorities across eastern China raised emergency response levels as floods, landslides and typhoon damage threaten communities. More than 1 million people have been evacuated. Hundreds of flights and trains have been suspended or cancelled. Authorities have also released water from rivers and reservoirs as water levels continue to rise.
Shanghai has taken a direct hit from the torrential rain. Suburban areas and residential compounds have been flooded. Metro operations and ferry services have been disrupted. Rescue teams have evacuated residents and pumped out floodwater.
It was raining for almost the whole night last night. When I got up today, I found the compound was flooded everywhere. The street is flooded as well. That's basically the situation we see now.
But floodwater is not the only threat there. Eyewitness video showed a truck being flipped on its side as heavy rain and powerful winds pounded Wenzhou in eastern Zhejiang province. Winds of up to 151 kilometers per hour were recorded near the typhoon center when it made landfall in a province around 300 kilometers southwest of Shanghai.
The Dolphin is the 13th typhoon of 2026, and it is the strongest typhoon to hit China this year. More than 900 trees have been damaged in Wenzhou.
Dolphin has now also weakened to a tropical storm, but the threat is not over. The slow-moving system can still bring prolonged heavy rain, keeping the risk of floods and landslides high. In Hong Kong, the story has been very different, but just as extreme. The typhoon's outer airflow has pushed temperatures to extreme levels. Residents and tourists have been searching for shade and relief. Hong Kong has even recorded its hottest days since official meteorological records began in 1884. Temperatures could hit 37 degrees Celsius or higher in some areas.
Typhoon Dolphin is nearly 4,000 kilometers from India. The atmospheric pattern behind the storm could reportedly weaken India's monsoon. The Pacific is currently highly active, with multiple tropical systems developing near Japan, Vietnam, the Philippines. And when that happens, it can disturb the large-scale air circulation that links the Pacific, the Indian Ocean, and India. El Nino-like conditions could push tropical storms and clouds eastward, and that can change airflow and reduce the atmospheric systems that help power India's monsoon.